Hi guys, Nikko is here. This is cola. And everybody knows that cola is sweet. It's very sweet. It's actually much sweeter than it should ever be. But is it sweet enough to make some alcohol with a little help of baking yeast? Let's try it out. So here's the question. Can we make some alcohol from cola? My main concern is that phosphoric acid, which inside the cola, will kill the yeast. But let's try. Let's give it a try after it will stay here for a couple of hours. Probably phosphoric acid already reacted with something, and we can just put some yeast there and see what happens. Okay, I put some yeast there. I'm going to mix it really well, and let's see after a couple of hours will we have some reaction with this or not. It seems we already have reaction, but not that we expected. But let's see. Probably we finally get something from it. Probably not. And that's it. It's 1 hour later. Seems something is going on. Probably we will get some result. So I'm going to mix a bigger bowl, add additional spoon of dry yeast, and leave it for a couple of days. Let's see what result we get. It's an experiment anyway. I'm doing this because I hope that phosphoric acid will react with air and neutralize itself. So it will be safe for yeast. So after 4 days it turns up into this strange substance. It looks very weird, guys, really. But it's an experiment. So now I'm going to filter it and put it into freezer, not to freezer, to refrigerator for a couple of days, and we'll dare to try it. So we filter it like this. It's not very nice process, but it works. So I kept this in my fridge for 5 days. It should stop fermentation process, and we see it changed color, so definitely something happened with it. But is it drinkable? Let's find it out. Oh, here's something, and let's give it a try. Actually, it's not that bad. I don't feel cola. I don't feel much alcohol, but something definitely is here. It's a little sweet, a little sour, so it's not bad. I'm surprised. Cheers! No, guys, it's really not that bad. I really like it, particularly in the hot weather. And After 5 minutes I feel something in my head, so it definitely has some alcohol. So yeast did a good job converting sugar in cola into some kind of light medieval style beer. Really not bad, really surprised. Cheers!